Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to add location in Snapchat, and now let's dive right in. Now to add a location on Snapchat, first open up your Snapchat app, and guys, to proceed from here, make sure to enable your location on Snapchat from the Snapchat as well as the settings. Now in order to add a location, guys, I'm covering the camera with my hand, so let's take a snap of it for a demo purpose, and snap has been taken, guys. So now from over here at the top right corner of the screen, you can see a bunch of options available for us in order to make that snap beautiful. The third one, there is a paper icon. Tap on it just below the pen icon, and over here, guys, you will find all of the stickers available for us, where you can see there is the location sticker up for us just beside the sounds where I'm swiping, guys. Over here, the third option, tap on location, and you can see, guys, you will be able to add a location from over here. For example, I'll be tapping on the MoneyGram, and guys, you can see that location has been added over here. So let's go back. You can add also another locations also from suggest a place. You can go to the address, tap on address, okay, and into the name of place. So you can edit on pin. You can go to another place and tap on save over here, and after that, entering your phone numbers, websites, you can see, guys, you can add a photo. And after that, after entering all of these details, tap on submit. Let's enter the name, demo, and tap a category, cafe, and tap a submit, and it has been submitted, guys. Let's go back and let's again do that location. And there, guys, this is how you can add location on Snapchat. And if you have any confusions or questions on the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.